Yay!
Hello everyone, settle in, relax, crack a beer and prepare yourself for another epic build project from Dubious Engineering. You may have heard that recently YouTube changed the rules on small channels, and yeah, this is a small channel. With your help, potentially this could be a much bigger channel. If you could share some of these videos with some of your friends, if you think they're worthy, that would be awesome. We really appreciate it. I hope it keeps you entertained. It certainly seems to be keeping Mrs. Dubious entertained. Mrs. Dubious is loving playing various different games on this arcade machine that we're working on.
Bit of wood fits almost perfectly on the sides there. It's almost like I made it exactly the right size and shape, so I put a little cut mark on there. Somebody said something about getting a candle, so here's one of Mrs. Dubious's best candles, and he reckoned that if you put a bit of candle wax on your saw, then you know, it'll glide through the wood much easier. So we'll give that a bit of a try. There we go. Do. Candle wax on the saw blade. Sorry if I'm being facetious. It's sort of funny, really. Mrs. Dubious is going to be utterly upset, and all the wax is going into the monitor, but that won't matter. And some safety Sally said I should probably wear safety glasses. So so there's the safety glasses. We'll put them out of the way over there, and we'll get some sawing done back in a second. So now we're at a point where we want to copy some ROMs across. Problem is, I don't have a keyboard that works with this at the minute, so yeah, just keep coming across sort of little stumbling blocks as we're working our way through this project. Right, great news, keyboard's in play, and yeah, there's a whole bunch of ROMs getting copied. Awesome. Well, that you put an egg in the microwave. Come on, go and open the microwave then. Somebody put an egg in the microwave. Oh, beauty. My honey. Yay! Well, a fake memory card has been hindering my day with loads of crashes and all sorts of problems. But good news, RetroPie is working, and yeah, very soon we're going to have an arcade machine. Awesome.